Hello everyone! Today we are reviewing the Dethleffs Just Camp, a practical and spacious motorhome designed for travel, where everything is carefully thought out for comfortable living on the road. The entrance door is fitted with a mosquito screen, a very useful feature for summer trips and stops in nature. As soon as we enter, we find a fairly spacious dining area. It can comfortably seat up to 5 people. At the front of the lounge, there is a large panoramic roof light. It brings in plenty of natural light and visually makes the interior feel even more open. Next to the entrance door, there is a small overhead cupboard for smaller items. Also, to the right of the passenger seat under the roof light, there is a long open shelf, a convenient place for things you want to keep close at hand. Above the dining area, there are 3 small storage cupboards. The dining area is very conveniently arranged. The table can be moved and adjusted for easier seating, so it is comfortable both for meals and for simply relaxing on the road. There are wide walkways around it, good lighting, storage cupboards above, and the large panoramic roof light brings in plenty of light and air. Everything feels spacious, practical, and cozy. Now, let's move on to the kitchen area. Above the kitchen, there is an overhead cabinet divided into 2 sections. You can store dishes, food, or kitchen accessories here. Next to it, there is a window with a mosquito screen and a sunshade. On the worktop, we have a 2-burner gas hob. Next to it is a round stainless steel sink with a proper high tap. Everything looks compact, but still very practical for everyday use while traveling. In the lower part of the kitchen, there are 3 spacious cupboards with soft close mechanisms. Under the sink, there's a large cabinet with space for a waste bin inside. Everything is neatly organized and well suited for longer trips. Nearby, we also have the control for the drop-down bed. Opposite the kitchen, there is a large refrigerator with a capacity of around 137 liters, including a freezer compartment of about 15 liters. For family trips and longer journeys, this amount of storage is more than enough. Under the refrigerator, there is a small but very convenient lower cabinet. You can store extra food, kitchen accessories, bottles, or items you want to keep close to the kitchen. It is great that even this space is not wasted. Everything is designed for practical storage while traveling. Now let's take a look at the shower area. Here we have a full shower with LED lighting, an extractor fan, and 2 hinged doors. For a motorhome, this is a very convenient solution. The shower area can be separated, it is well ventilated, and it allows you to shower quite comfortably even while traveling. Now we move into the rear sleeping area. Under the right-hand bed, there is a large and deep storage compartment. You can place travel bags, bedding, shoes, or other larger items here. Things you do not necessarily need every day. It is very convenient that this space is not just empty space under the bed, but a fully usable storage area for traveling. Under the left-hand bed, there is also storage space. Here you can also find technical access, including fuses, the electrical unit, and a holder for hangers. At the rear, there are 2 long single beds, each about 2.15 meters in length. If needed, they can be converted into 1 large sleeping area. Above the left-hand bed, there are open side shelves. At the head of the beds, there are 2 large overhead cabinets, and along the right-hand side of the bed, there are more open shelves for smaller items. This is convenient for a phone, books, chargers, and personal belongings. The sleeping area feels very cozy and peaceful. Thanks to the large side windows, there is plenty of natural light inside, while the beautiful curtains make the interior feel warmer and more homely. In addition to the mosquito screens and sunshades, there are also full fabric curtains, which add extra comfort and allow you to close off the bedroom completely in the evening. At night, this area can be beautifully illuminated. The soft lighting above the beds creates a pleasant atmosphere for relaxing after a long day on the road. It really feels not just like a place to sleep, but like a separate, comfortable bedroom inside the motorhome. Looking at the interior as a whole, you can see that the walkways are quite wide and the space is very well organized. Above the dining area, there is a large electric drop-down bed measuring approximately 200 by 140 centimeters, with a slight narrowing to 120 centimeters. This is a great solution as it provides an additional full sleeping place without taking away space during the day. There is plenty of lighting throughout the lounge. Different lighting scenarios are available, so in the evening you can create a cozier atmosphere separately. Lighting the kitchen, the dining area, or the lounge space. Under the seat near the entrance, there is a small lower storage drawer. Above the entrance, there is the main control panel for the living area, where you can manage the key functions of the motorhome. It is also worth mentioning the dining table. It can be moved so you can adjust it for easier seating or better access through the lounge. In the driver's cab, we have a classic steering wheel, a 6-speed manual gearbox, and dual-zone air conditioning. Everything is simple, clear, and convenient for long-distance travel. Now let's go through some technical information about this model. This is the Dethleffs Just Camp T7052EB, a low-profile motorhome built on the Fiat Ducato light chassis. It uses a 2.2-liter MultiJet diesel engine with 140 horsepower and can come with a manual or automatic gearbox. The overall length is 7.40 meters, the width is 2.33 meters, and the height is 2.94 meters. The interior standing height is about 2.13 meters, so the living area feels spacious. At the rear, there are 2 long single beds, each about 215 by 80 centimeters. They can be converted into one large sleeping area of around 210 by 190 centimeters. An optional drop-down bed above the dining area measures about 200 by 140 centimeters, narrowing to 120 centimeters. The freshwater tank holds around 116 liters, and the wastewater tank holds about 90 liters. The refrigerator has a capacity of about 137 liters, including a 15-liter freezer. This model offers a rear garage, 6-kilowatt heating with boiler, LED lighting, solar preparation, a 95-ampere-hour AGM battery, and 12-volt, 230-volt, and USB sockets.